Good morning and welcome to the 10 a.m. daily weather brief. Taking a quick look at our radar out there. As of the most recent scan, looking at clear conditions across the region and anticipating that remaining the case as we move through the rest of the afternoon and into tomorrow morning. And then as we look forwards towards the week ahead into the early portion of next week, we can anticipate seeing similar conditions for tomorrow and into Thursday, as we will have a slow yet steady increase in our humidity levels as high pressure continues to settle in overhead and ultimately push eastwards and move offshore by Thursday. We'll then see southwesterly flow developing across the region, and again, that's going to increase our humidity values as we move into that Thursday, Friday time frame. With that increase in moisture, we'll also see a slow-moving front approaching from the west, and that's going to bring us a chance for some showers and thunderstorms on both days, with the highest chances of or for rain looking to be on Friday. Most of those storms, as of current, don't necessarily look to be severe. However, some locally heavy rainfall and a rumble of thunder do look possible, so can't entirely rule out a storm developing on the stronger side. And then as we head into the later half of the week and into the weekend, and early portions of next week, scattered chances do look possible for Saturday morning and into the afternoon. However, as we move out of that Saturday afternoon time frame, those chances do look to drop down back to about our seasonal average for summertime. And by Sunday and Monday, along with an increase in the heat, that will ultimately bring those temperatures back up into the upper 80s. We'll also see high humidity moving into the area, and we'll see some heat indices potentially approaching the 100-degree mark as we move into next week, or the early portion of such. As we take a look at the 24 hours ahead here, remaining unchanged from earlier this morning, seeing partly cloudy skies here, partly to mostly cloudy this morning. We'll see a generalized clearing trend throughout the afternoon, in which we'll just see plenty of sunshine as we move onwards. And then once we get into that overnight period, seeing mostly clear skies. Similar tomorrow morning, we'll have plenty of sunshine making its way through, and then clouds will build through later on in the day tomorrow. For our temperatures today, climbing into the low to mid 80s, winds starting out of the north and shifting to become light and variable as we move through the remainder of the 24 hours ahead. Overall, looking at a green chart, no operational concerns for today. Should be a very pleasant day out there. For the short-term outlook here on Wednesday, looking at partly cloudy conditions with a very slight chance of a pop-up afternoon shower or thunderstorm, a high of 83, greens across the board. Should be another pleasant day. Wednesday night, we'll have moisture starting to move back into the area, partly to mostly cloudy conditions, and a slight chance, or very slight chance, of scattered showers, especially early in that Thursday morning time frame. Low around 73 on Thursday, partly to mostly cloudy, with a chance of showers and thunderstorms, and a high in the mid-80s with some color on the board for those rain chances. And then to round us out for the next week ahead, looking at plenty of sunshine today, temperatures in the low to mid-80s. I'll continue tomorrow with a very slight chance of a pop-up shower in the afternoon. Thursday, especially in the PM hours, we'll see some rain chances as well as lowered temperatures. And then Friday will be our highest chance of seeing some showers and thunderstorms across the region with that front moving through. Saturday, lingering chances and temperatures remaining around seasonal average, and Sunday and Monday we'll see a clearing trend as far as cloud cover goes, sunshine moving back in, and heavy southwesterly flow that will bring in some elevated temperatures and humidity to round us out and move us into the early portion of next week. That's going to conclude the 7-day outlook. Hope everyone has a wonderful rest of their day, and we'll be back tomorrow at 8:15 with the daily weather operations brief.